कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं दीपक जी आप?
नो नो।
नो, ओके। सो नाउ लेट अस कम टू सम डूज एंड डोंट्स। जनरली पर्सनल फाइनेंस के हैं और सम आर एप्लीकेबल ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है अभी के लिए, ये यू डू नॉट नो हाउ लॉन्ग दिस पेंडेमिक विल लास्ट। So preservation of cash is more important, or rather most important. Don't spend beyond your need. Even if you intend to buy some large ticket value purchases or want to buy a house, etc., please postpone these decisions till the situations becomes clear. ये जैसे सिचुएशन पेंडेमिक का आया है, a few people will lose their job. I have sympathy with them. So, and then a few people will probably have to work for a reduced salary. So one should have an emergency fund equal to 6 months of expenses, and the expenses will include your EMI also, or social expenses also. So in case of any loss, job loss, or any similar situation, you have something to fall upon. So, and then the same amount of emergency fund can either be invested in FD, or you can put the money in liquid fund. For almost all of us borrow, if not for anything else, if for buying a house. So we have devised a triple A test for deciding whether a particular loan is a good loan or a bad loan. In case a loan adds to your income, it is a good loan. So education loan is a good loan, business loan is a good loan. But if you take a car loan or loan for a holiday, this is a bad loan because it does not add to your income. The second test is, if does it add to your asset? So home loan, since it adds to your asset, is a good loan. But a car loan does not add to your asset. The car depreciates over the period unless the car is bought for a business purpose. That is bad loan. And the third test is that the loan should be appropriate to the occasion and your financial position. अगर आप आपके बच्चे की बर्थडे पे 5 लाख रुपया खर्च करते हैं, और अगर आपकी सालाना इनकम ही 10 लाख रुपया है, तो देन दिस इज नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट टू द अकेजन। या अगर आप बोरो करके आपके बच्चों की शादी बहुत ठाट बाट से, जो बोलते हैं ना पंजाबी स्टाइल में शादी करते हैं, so that is not appropriate to the occasion or appropriate to the status, and one should avoid that expenditure. Lots of people keep their money in saving account, waiting the EMIs to hit, or for a cash withdrawal, earning merely 3.5% return. So I would advise you can invest those surplus funds in liquid funds which have a lock-in period of 7 days. And if you do not have 7 days period, you can put the money in overnight funds, which helps you. The liquid fund helps you earn almost equal to the FD interest, and have a liquidity also. There are some liquid funds which allow you instant redemption up to 50,000 or 90% of the value. So in you can put the redemption request online, and the money gets credited in your bank account in seconds, not even minutes. So you can opt for doing this and earn a higher return. Continuing with the do's and don'ts, buy life insurance if you have anybody dependent, financially dependent on you. Why you should buy health insurance, I've already explained. Use of credit card, or having a credit card, is a good thing, but it is a double-edged weapon. So it can sometimes hurt you also. So you should be very careful in using credit card. जैसे कहीं जेब से पैसा निकालना है तो थोड़ा भारी पड़ता है, पिंच कर जाता है, but the same pinch you do not feel when you get your credit card swiped. So avoid using credit card, but keep a credit card handy in case of any emergency. And even if you use the credit card, जो क्रेडिट कार्ड कंपनी आपको 5% पेमेंट करने की फैसिलिटी देती है, रिवॉल्विंग फैसिलिटी, रोल ओवर फैसिलिटी बोलते हैं उसको, पर आपको मालूम है उस पर आपको 36% का ब्याज लगता है। एंड इफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इज पेइंग 30% इंटरेस्ट, मेरे को डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है। और लास्ट जो है डूज में है, और विच इज एनीवे पार्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग ऑल्सो, दैट यू शुड मेक अ विल, एंड in addition to having a will, make nominees also, appoint nominees for all your investments. अब बिल पे मेरे को लगता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को सबको नॉलेज है। आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड एलाबोरेट, बट एनीबडी हु इज हिंदू, and Hindu covers Jain, Sikhs, both in within its extended definition, can make a will. Will has to be attested by two people. Will can be made on a plain piece of paper, और कोई लैंग्वेज, फैंसी लैंग्वेज लिखना भी जरूरी नहीं है। आप जो अपनी भाषा में लिख सकते हैं वो लिख दीजिए। कई लोग कहते हैं अरे हमने तो नॉमिनेशन करवा दिया है, अभी हमको बिल लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है। बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉमिनेशन एंड विल. So if you do not write a will, all your assets will devolve on your heirs as per the succession law applicable to you. But in case you do not want somebody to inherit your assets, then you need to prepare a will so that the money will go to him. That the nominee acts as a trustee of the legal heirs. Nominee does not become the owner. So even if the nominee gets the money or property due to his nomination, the legal heirs can always claim the money or assets from the nominee.